ride of the morning, full complete day one, and of course we are at Flight of Passage.
We're gonna have to take micro naps today. While we're in line, we just go to sleep. Just real quick.
It's gonna be a long night. After this we have Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party at Magic Kingdom. So excited. Wow, we're moving, we're moving.
Enter driver 5.
We getting close?
Yeah, we're almost there. Like a cake pop. Oh, but those are marshmallows.
Oh, look what this is.
So John wants a cookie. Gabriel, what do you feel like?
A pencil?
They have a pretzel?
Yeah.
Oh, you still want a pretzel? I don't think there's pretzels here.
No, this is sweet.
Look at the chamoy apple.
Wow.
Ooh. If you're waiting for a pretzel, I'll get you a pretzel.
I'm waiting for a pencil.
Okay. Just came out at Zuri's Sweets. Oh my god, that looks so good. Oh no, I cannot do it backwards. You want to ride the 50-minute wait, I think. But it was worth it.
It was 80, but then when we got in line, it's at 50, so that's good.
So that's a win. Stop saying that. You ruined nobody's day. Look at Cinderella Fountain.
I'm hungry.
The buckets are here. She's gonna hand you some candy. Look at these cool. We're in the tiki room. Thank you.
Halloween.
Bye. Let's see, Gabriel. She did.
I got Snickers.
Look at the lamp. He's blowing out. Look. What if the genie comes out? Did you see?
That's right, Mr. Gracie, the owner of this here fine mansion, is gonna meet and greet each and every one of y'all.
Of course, there's always my way.
Happy Halloween!
Last cavalcade.
Halloween!